In this video, I am going to show you how to add contact form in card.co website. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to their website, which is card.co with double R. Now, once you have done that, you should be able to see this. As you can see, you can build one-page sites for pretty much anything. Now, into this part, what you can do is you can head over and choose in here a starting point. So you can choose a starting point, which means signing up, or you can also log in by clicking onto this button right here. So on my case, I'll head over and log in. Once you're done logging in, you should be able to see in here your dashboard and you can see all of the sites that you have created. If you had just signed up, you won't be able to see any published site yet. Now into this, we need to add a contact form in our website. So I have in here the site. Let's head over and click onto this icon right here in order to edit this. Now this will prepare the canvas, and into this part, just click onto this plus icon and you can see in here this option for form. So as you can see, adding a contact form in your car.co website requires a free trial of their plan or subscribe plan of theirs. So you need to pay for this in order to add this. Now, alternatively, what we can do is we can create a separate site that will actually get those forms. Click onto this new site option. Click onto this form option that we can see right here. And then from in there, just choosing here the form. So for example, let's choose the form for this part and click on select. And then you can head over and then select this and start your pro trial if you would want. So this will actually prompt you to start a trial of your pro plan, and once your trial plan has been started, you can head back right here to the actual dashboard that we have earlier. Then click onto this edit icon again. And then from in there, click on this plus icon again. And as you can see, the form has now been enabled. You can click on it and it will be added into your site. So you can choose in here the type. I'll choose contact form and here it is right here. So you can just tweak what has been added into this part. So that's how you add contact form in card.co website. Hope we helped.